You could put a car in there, and then I think he's using it as a space where he build things and fix things. So basically, that's the entire home. I'm sure there's probably some areas that I didn't show you, but this is what we do on the real estate tour. We just want everybody to be like, you know what? The opportunities are here. And then, of course, this particular state is extremely nice. So all I can say is we'll see you here in sunny South Africa. We got people that's checking out the houses. I don't know what they think. They probably don't like them, but that's okay. Nah, they what? Wait a minute. Is it straight? Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't change it for the gas, right? You should explain that to you, some of the conversion
Yeah.
and the prices.
Yeah. For 800 or something. I think it's 800 USD.
Yeah, about 4.
No, six. Six. Yeah, fix something. Yeah, for all of them. I mean, think about it. Like I said, you got the clubhouse that you ain't even seen. Yeah.
Our house too back less, about 100,000 less, but we don't have.
Oh, yeah. And walking paths that you hadn't seen, and across the street is very nice as well. So, restaurants and security.
I'm liking
Yeah, yeah.
The price of this, I want to call my builder up and ask him where's the rest of my house. And the guy just should say that.
Yeah.
About house for that price we pay here, we getting all of that.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Hey, welcome to South Africa. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna wrap up this space here, but yeah, people they're having their opinions and whatnot. So it's interesting. Hey, everybody.